All right, now so let's go ahead and actually finish the payment up. So in the last video I processed the payment, but I processed it with like $100. So of course we're not going to process it with $100. We're going to process it with the total price right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and make this dynamic. So if I go back to pay.blade right there, I want to go to the part with the value, and I just want to go session right there, and I want to get the price like that, and this will allow me to simply pay the price for the product. All right. So after I go ahead and I pay, I want to go to product/success. So we will redirect the user to simply just a very simple success page that we are going to create. All right. So if I save this, I want to go ahead right now to this part, and I want to copy this link and I want to paste. So this will be product success. We can just copy the word right away. Let's paste this like that. So we want to go ahead right here and we will make this success like that. All right, so for the name for this, I'm just gonna go products.pay.success. So save this like that. All right, there is something actually I want to add after we pay and it's all done. I want to go ahead and I want to delete the items from the cart. All right, and that actually makes total sense, because after the user paid for the items in the cart, why would we even keep them? Again, we want to go ahead and we want to clear the whole cart. All right, so I want to go right here, and of course we're gonna clear the cart based on based on the user ID, because we don't want to delete every item right there in the cart. No, we want to go ahead and delete the items that are related to this user. All right, because we're gonna delete from the cart table right there. We want to delete based on this user ID. All right, so I want to go ahead right there. I want to go delete items right there. I'm gonna make this so it will be equal to let's see, cart right there, and we're gonna go where user ID right there equal to the ID that's coming from the session simply, and we can just go auth user and we can pass in the ID right like that. All right, so right after this I can go if the delete items right there. If this is done, well, actually I want to go ahead first and I want to use my method to delete this. So I'm just gonna go delete like that, and this will actually delete the items. All right, so after we delete, I want to go ahead to a success page, and this success page will be in the products folder. It will be success like that. All right, so let me now copy this and let me go back to the products right there, and let me paste this .blade.php like that, and we can simply go to the pay. Let's see, could we grab the code from here, or what do you think? Let me see. Yeah, we can grab this whole thing. That's totally fine, and we can paste it like that, and we can go down the bottom and go end section like that. All right, so for this part right here, we can go success like that. You pay it for the products. All right, so something like that. We can also go and do the same thing right there. Copy this and we can paste it like that. All right, and we can make this so it will be actually go to the home, this link, so we can make this route of home like that. All right, so save this whole thing now. Let me now go ahead and try to see what's going on right there. So let me try this whole thing once again. I'm right here at the cart. If I simply click proceed to checkout, All right, so now I'm at the checkout right here. So again, just speed up the video right away. I should actually go ahead and make this real quick. So the street right there. So as you can see, town is simply down. The zip code is right there, and the phone number is right there. And there is the email. All right, so there is the price and there is the ID. If we click place an order. All right, so as you can see, we're going to the pay page. The PayPal right here should pop up. So if we click pay like that, we should actually see that $11.55, something like that. All right, so this is the email. We need just to grab the password. Let's see. Yeah, the password is right there. So we need to go ahead and we need to log in first. All right, so come on. All right, so we're right there. Let's grab the password of this buyer account. So no, this is not the buyer account. We need to go back. We need to go back to the accounts right here. All right, so there is the personal account. All right, so there is the password. If we go right there, and if we just paste this in, and if we click log in, so we should now see the $11 right there. All right, so as you can see, $11.55, which we just saw. All right, so if we click complete purchase, and as you can see, thanks for using PayPal. So now we should actually go back to the success page, and the card should be cleared. So as you can see, now we're back at the success page, like that. So as you can see right there, we want to go ahead right now and we want to check our account. So if I refresh this, if I go back right there. All right, so this is the business account. So let me go ahead and try. Let's see. Let me try to grab the password for this. There is the password, and let me go ahead and paste. Let's click login. All right, so now we should actually see that 1155 has been added to this business account. All right, so as you can see, 1155 has been added. If you go to the recent activity right there, as you can see, 1155 is right there. And if we simply log out right now, and if we go back, if we check out the personal account. All right, so now if we click copy like that for the email, and if we go log in, paste like that, and if we go right there and click copy, let's click login like that. So as you can see right there, $11 has been cut away from this balance. So yeah, something else that we need to check for is we need to check for the cart. If we click on the cart right there, you can see that the cart now should be cleared. There we go. The two records belong to the same user, which has the ID of 1. And if we go right there, we click on the home, and or we simply click on the cart, we should see that the cart is simply empty. So as you can see right there, there is no product now in the cart. So yeah, this is actually everything that I wanted to show you in this video. So this will be it, and I will see you on the next one.